Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate educational streaming platform step by step clearly. First, open your web browser. Type in the URL of the educational streaming platform into the address bar. Press the enter key to load the website. Once the homepage is displayed, look for the sign up or register button. Click on the sign up or register button. Fill out the required personal information in the registration form. This usually includes your name, email address, and a password. Review the terms and conditions of the platform. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. After completing the form, click on the Submit or Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from the platform. Open the email and look for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the platform's homepage and now click on the Login button. Enter your registered email address and password in the login fields. Click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Subscription Options or Plans section. Select the educational plan that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information if required. Confirm your subscription by clicking on the appropriate button. After confirmation, you should receive a notification of your active subscription. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features and offerings. Now you are ready to start streaming educational content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.